Where's the sound at? Where's the sound at?
Today we have a different kind of challenge for us to do today, and I think it went viral where one of the partners tried to make a face and then the other partner guesses like whatever sound that face might be making. So that's what we're gonna do today. Okay, so I'm making the face first.
Yes.
That wasn't the sound I was going for.
It counted.
Okay, go ahead. Oh, do it again.
No.
No.
No, it's supposed to be like bloop.
Why would it be bloop? That's not the face that you're making.
I'm making that face. Bloop is the turd hit the toilet.
That right there is the sound that of the face that you're making.
Well, if you gotta make them sounds when you poop, there's something wrong with you, man. You need to go to the doctor. Alright. Go ahead.
Let me see.
What kind of face was that? Looked like a baby hamster.
Okay, you go. Yelp. Like a Yoshi yelp.
There you go.
Let me see. Did I do that face?
I ain't see it. I was looking at the camera. What? Alright, man. Good boy, man. It's my turn?
Mm-hmm. Ow!
What was that, man?
It was ow!
Yeah, ooh. You look like one of them fish, though.
Get out of here.
Word.
Okay, you go.
That was weak. But I guess that's the sound of it. This wasn't a face, though. What was that, man? What was that? No, we need a rewind. Come on, what was that?
I don't know.
Khadijah, come on, get up. What was that?
I don't know.
Do it again. I didn't see it.
But you heard the sound.
I can't make no sound. I cannot make a sound to that. What the hell?
You want me to try it again?
No, please don't. I don't know what you, man. Why you pick this game?
Do it again.
not no winner in this one though.
Mm-mm.
You just fall out. I mean, you just laugh.
Yeah.
Oh, it's your turn.
You want to end it here?
Nah, it's your turn.
You want to keep going? There's only so many faces I can make.
What you mean? I know that ain't the truth. I know that's not the truth.
What do you mean?
It don't matter. Come on.
Okay, go ahead.
I mean, that was pretty much on point.
Was it?
I guess. Last ones.
I don't think so.
Alright, anyway, oh, it's my turn, right?
Yeah, that's your last face.
Where's the sound at? Where's the sound at?
You scared the out of me.
That's good. Ready?
I guess. Is that it?
Yeah, I guess.
What was that?
I don't know what this sound was. I'm about to start breakdancing. You got no moves, man.
Oh, no?
You got no moves. Not it. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time.